Dragon Medical Practice Edition, Formatting and Correcting Multiple Instances of Text. In Dragon Medical Practice Edition, you can now use quick voice formatting commands to format individual text or multiple instances of text. For example, here is a simple repetitive sentence to demonstrate formatting single and multiple instances of text. Bold Mr. John Carter. Dragon has recognized multiple instances of the text Mr. John Carter and has placed a numbered flag next to each instance so that you can quickly choose which individual text you would like to format. Choose 3. Undo that. Go to the end. Or you can format all instances of the text like this. Bold Mr. John Carter. Choose all. When Dragon finishes formatting the text, the cursor is placed at the point where you stopped in your dictation so that you can easily continue without having to navigate through the document. Quick voice formatting allows you to bold, italicize, underline, copy, cut, delete, and capitalize any individual text or multiple instance of text in a simple one-step process. Underline neck injuries. Choose all. Capitalize motor vehicle accident. Choose all. In Dragon Medical Practice Edition, you can also correct multiple instances of text. Once again, here is a simple repetitive sentence to demonstrate correcting multiple instances of text. In this example, the phrase Cardiac Surgery Rehabilitation Center occurs several times throughout the document, and you would like the phrase to be in title case because it is the name of a facility. For this particular example, first add the phrase to the vocabulary. Select Cardiac Surgery Rehabilitation Center. Dragon recognizes that there are multiple instances of the text and has placed a numbered flag next to each instance. Choose one. The correction menu opens, but the phrase in title case is not in the numbered list of choices because it is not in the vocabulary. Copy that. Go to the end. Open Vocabulary Editor. Paste that. Select all. Cap that. Add. Train. Go. Cardiac Surgery Rehabilitation Center. Done. Close. Correct Cardiac Surgery Rehabilitation Center. Choose all. When correcting multiple instances of text, you must use the command correct to be able to use the command choose all. The correction menu opens, and now the phrase in title case is in the numbered list of choices. To correct multiple instances of text, the correction that you want must be available in the correction menu. Choose 6. And all instances of the text have been corrected. Here is another example of correcting multiple instances of text. Mr. Carter's name has been misrecognized and is actually spelled as C-O-R-T-E-R. You can easily change all instances of the word Carter like this. Correct Carter. Choose all. The correct spelling that we want, C-O-R-T-E-R, is in the correction menu. Choose 2. And all instances of the text have been corrected. In Dragon Medical Practice Edition, you can also correct a misrecognition by using the keyboard to type over a misrecognized word, and Dragon will learn from this correction and over time improve your user profile. For example, the patient was referred to me by Dr. Cindy Johnson, period. In this example, the spelling of Cindy needs to be corrected and spelled as C-I-N-D-I. Correct Cindy. The correct spelling of Cindy, C-I-N-D-I, is not listed in the correction menu. You can use the keyboard to correct the spelling of Cindy. Go to the end. New paragraph. The patient was referred to me by Dr. Cindy Johnson, period. New paragraph. I will meet with Dr. Cindy Johnson to discuss the patient's status, period. As you can see, Dragon has learned this correction that was made by using the keyboard. Here is another example. New paragraph. The diagnosis was made by Dr. John Sorensen, period. Select John. The correct spelling for this doctor's name is J-O-N, and it is not listed in the correction menu. I'll use the keyboard to correct the spelling. Go to the end. New paragraph. The diagnosis was made by Dr. John Sorensen, period. If you should make a mistake with correcting a word, simply use the keyboard to go back to the original spelling. Correct John. Choose 2. New paragraph. The diagnosis was made by Dr. John Sorensen, period. Using the keyboard to correct a misrecognition is a new feature in Dragon Medical Practice Edition to help improve your recognition accuracy. However, this feature does not allow you to add a word to the vocabulary. When using the keyboard to correct a misrecognition, the correct spelling of the word must currently be in the vocabulary. Also, when using the keyboard to make corrections, some words may require multiple corrections before they become consistently recognized in your dictation.